You will see a vehicle here.
Which car?
It's a, may I, Your Honor, go up there and point it out?
The truck.
No, it's the gray sedan. The gray sedan come up.
Oh, it hasn't come up yet.
You won't see it until after the law enforcement goes over on that.
It looks like he's going pretty fast, huh?
No, we're just.
There is.
So when you go, I mean, the law is such that you're always supposed to signal, right? And I mean, even if you're going in that turn,
Well,
I mean, were the lights on at that point or no?
yes, the lights were. The lights were on as soon as he gets up to the back of my client's vehicle before he makes that turn, they just shake lights. And the state is saying that there was an unsignaled lane change fire.
How do you know the lights are on?
Pardon?
How do you know?
Because the sound kicks on, you can hear it.
Yeah, and he's correct that after, but before that, there's an unsignaled lane change as.
Yeah, well, I was hoping to see an unsignaled lane change before they even pulled them.
There is, Your Honor, it just.
Show me that.
He said it was a freeway.
Well, freeway, Your Honor. And-
Show me. I didn't see it.
Yeah, well, if I could, I can point out his vehicle.
Yeah. Show me because that's what I was looking for and I didn't see it.
Your Honor, if I may step around, so I can.
Go, please. Come on. Don't be shy.
So it's small, it's at a distance, but you'll see the vehicle come into view momentarily. It's right there. That's the defendant's
That's
vehicle.
him?
That's the defendant's vehicle. Let me go back a little
There's
bit.
no way to tell it's vehicles.
Because you can continue, no, and you can continue seeing it.
Can you not make it? You should be able to like,
I'm sorry, if we're gonna do crosstalk like this, we can just set this to an MAJ hearing or a formal motion to suppress, and that can be up on the big screen. We can have more structure to an argument, and we don't have to have three people arguing about it. That's a personal handheld device.
Yes, Judge.
This is Courtroom Strategy 101. The defense is asking for a full motion to suppress hearing. That's one of the most important tools a defense lawyer has. What it means is simple. They're arguing that the evidence was obtained illegally, whether through an unlawful stop, search, seizure, interrogation, or some other constitutional violation, and if the judge agrees, that evidence can be thrown out completely.
And that's the.
I guess you want to set it for a formal probable cause
Well,
hearing?
you know,
He's on an MAJ out of this court. We just have the MAJ. It's a preponderance standard. They can challenge any motion to suppress they want to, or they can urge any motion to suppress they want.
This is for the new case though, right? This
It
is
is
not for the
It's for the
MAJ.
new case.
It's for the new case.
Yeah, and the UCW.
The UCW, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, but he's got a pending MAJ in this court for an evading arrest.
right. But because of this,
Right, so this would have to be proved about that hearing anyway.
right. But I mean, I'm not going to revoke if there's no PC to go here.
Right, but I'm just saying if we're going
So-
to be here, having three attorneys talk about a handheld device on the screen where it can't be seen, we might as well just set it for a whole hearing and then we can put the whole video up on the screen.
I'm down. You want to do it for
well, that's what-
beginning of next week?
I mean, the court suggested that there's gonna be.
I didn't realize it was going to be this
Yeah, I just.
labor intensive, so to speak, you know?
It's turning into like a big argument. If the video is clear enough to determine probable cause, then that's fine. I'm just saying if this is gonna.
I'm having to squint. So that's why, but if, let's set it for a formal one. Next week, whatever you want. No?
I mean, whatever the court wants.
It doesn't matter to
I mean,
me.
I would like to do it now if we can, annually, but I mean, it's the first 8 second of it.
He said it's.
The car is so far along, there's no way. The state's gonna point out a minuscule car hundreds of yards away, you can't see what lane it's even in.
It's the same.
There, and then the officers continues going in that direction. It's the same vehicle.
Is it that one way over there? It's this one, like, it's,
The that, the one going right at that time. Because it's going right, then the officer continues in that direction, follow the vehicle.
Can we see it right here? Which one is it?
So it's not right here, it's
How does he even see that?
because as he's coming around the corner, you see it right there, that vehicle right there going right.
Oh, that was cool how you did that.
Yeah, I don't know how I just got it.
That's great. That's it.
So yeah, as
That's
he's coming
it.
around the corner, yeah, so he's coming around. And then that vehicle going all the way across with no light and then
Look, look, look.
Can't tell what lane he's in.
No. Come here, Will. Look.
He
He hit something that made it like really big.
Hey, Alex. He can fix everything. No.
You can see him, he's like, hey, he's like, he's cutting off to try to cut out maybe, you know? Mr. Mercer, do you want to talk about something else?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Rehash the previous subject. I was talking to Mr. Martin, the guy who's from San Diego. February 7th, too late for him to come down here.
It's okay,
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
for sure. But, you know, tell him between now and then, he's still not to get, he still has bond conditions that he got from the magistrate. So make sure that he knows that those bond conditions apply, even though he hasn't been here. So, okay, yeah,
I think he'll be okay.
I'm okay with that. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so is that a finding of PC?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to address bond conditions then, back to where we were here in the first.
Come up, Mr. Worthy. Can you see if he has a driver's license, please?
I'll blame on it.
Okay. You're not allowed to drive unless you have also car insurance. Do you understand?
So I have liability.
Okay, good. Don't pick up a third case. If you pick up another case, holy moly, I'm just gonna lose it. Do you understand? Don't. No, you're not supposed to have weapons. No drugs, no alcohol. Did you say there was an odor of marijuana here?
Yes, Judge, strong odor of marijuana.
Okay, I will test you 45 days from today. If you test positive again for marijuana, I'm going to lock you up. Do you understand? No more smoking weed.
That right there is what you'd call a judicial warning shot. Judges don't usually get this personal unless they're trying to send a message that goes beyond the paperwork. And when they do, it's often a mix of two things: compassion and control. Compassion, because the judge may genuinely be trying to reach the person before things get worse. Control, because the court also needs to make clear that there are hard consequences if the behavior continues.
So let's set this off 45 to 50 days. His appearance is required. He will get another test on that day. If he's clean, we'll just continue him and then just goes normal. If he's test positive, get ready. You hold the keys. Do you understand?
Sir.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks. Okay. You got to know, your record stands out for itself.
Yes.
No matter what your circumstance is, criminality is still criminality. Whatever you're doing, if you need anything, we can help you here. If you want it, we can give you whatever you need. If you want treatment, if you want a cell phone, if you want a tablet, if you want a place to sleep, if you want to eat, we have resources here that we can help you with. And for as long as I'm here, because who knows how long I'm going to be here, if you ever come back and if you ever want anything, I'll give it to you.
Yes,
All
sir.
you have to do is ask. And I know that the thing is that, like, I get that you want to party, right? And
Not really. I just want to.
just listen,
Sure.
I get it. That lifestyle is going to catch up with you
Yeah.
because, life does not get easier the older you get. It gets difficult. You get
Yeah.
bigger, you get fatter, you get uglier, you lose hair. Life doesn't get easier.
I'm fine.
I want you to listen because you're thinking about what to say. You're not listening and internalizing what I'm trying to tell you, that it doesn't get easier. And I know that you want to get out there. You're ready to get out there, go party and just what. If you don't have something, if you don't set yourself up with something, with a skill or some kind of trade or some kind of job or knowledge, you're going to end up lickety split at 50, at 60, destitute, alone, toothless, with no money on the street. Life doesn't get easier. And what you're doing now is you're only hosing yourself worse and worse. It's like we are watching you crumble. And I want to help you, but you just don't want it. And that's okay, because you can lead a horse to water, but you can't force him to drink. But it's going to catch up with you.
Yeah.
Don't let it. I'm telling you, in a moment's notice, 10 years is going to pass. And if you keep there,
Yeah. Yes,
you're
sir.
charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you worked is 9 days in jail, credit for the 7 days that you've done. You have to understand this now makes 2. On the 3rd, you're looking at a state jail felony, minimum of 6 months in jail.
Yes, sir.
And here's the emotional gut punch. This is the moment where the judge stops talking in legal terms and starts laying out the cold math of consequences. Not theories, not possibilities. Consequences are second chances on the table, and you can feel it slipping away in real time. That's what makes moments like this so powerful. Because the tone shifts to it's no longer just procedure, charges, and conditions.
This is it, though. I think this is the last time we see each other, for
Well,
sure.
it is, because
Oh, I know,
now
so.
on, another case, you're going
Yeah.
upstairs to felony court. I'm not going to see you.
Yeah, gotcha.
But this is going to trail you for the rest of your life. Once you plead guilty, you can never take it off. You can never say, you know what? I should have done something else. That's so stupid. Are you sure you want to do this?
Sure.
You don't want a short deferred where we can make minimal conditions. It won't go on your record.
I'm positive I want to do this.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, there's no changing this. If you ever want something, come back. I will help you as much as I can while I'm here. All you got to do is come back and ask for whatever it is. It is so much that if you want to change this, I have jurisdiction up to 30 days. If you come back, you know, whatever you need.
I'll really put the into it for
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement. Good luck. Thank you. Sean, please. Hi. What's up?